Now, one thing I learned when I was here and I was over here in Isabel, do it, and they were kind of doing the same thing, the give and take. She put on the scope on this one was residential supervision
Yeah.
and overhead and profit.
Yeah.
She gave up residential supervision to get overhead and profit.
Yeah.
Well, residential supervision was like $3,500. Well, overhead and profit was like 10 grand. So 9 times out of 10, contractors, they're fighting for that one thing of overhead and profit, and
They have
it's a
nothing to give.
win-lose situation. Yeah, and
Correct.
they have nothing to give. But by adding that little thing in the scope, sometimes you get both.
The hardest estimates to negotiate, and not saying we can't do it, and we do it all the time, are the single item estimates.
Yeah.
Big ticket item, roof, done.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if I have, let's say, roof, siding, fence, gutters, I have a couple things I could start taking a little bit from each. It all makes sense across the board.
Sure.
But if I have nothing to give the insurance company but price on square,
Right.
now we're going to start losing.
Absolutely.
Anybody.
Right.
Me, another adjuster, or the roofer. If you have only one thing to give away, you're going to start losing.
So go through it, and you guys will have this on a template form, but show the front elevation, east elevation, west elevation, and go through methodically. You do the ground, look at the screens, look at the windows, look at the beading.
Any interior damages.
Yeah, the roof.
Whether
the
you're doing that
interior
work or not.
fence, pools,
Exactly.
patios,
AC units, anything that would need to be done because of this loss.
That's right.
Right? So hail hit, broke the windows. I need the windows. I need the
Be
AC.
diligent in your reports
100%.
because it opens it up so many, overhead profit and
It's a
and
give
all
and
that stuff.
take,
It's a
right?
give and take.
It's not. I always tell homeowners and property owners, insurance claims is an art, right? It's not an exact science because if me and you have the same exact home, the same exact loss, same exact damages, same exact, I have a dog, you have a dog, 2 children, everything exactly, same insurance company, same field adjuster. We should get the same amount, right?
Sure.
Exactly.
You think, yeah.
You think to the T, right?
Right, yeah.
We won't
Ever.
ever because it's an art, it's not a
right.
science. So because of that, there's a give and take. That guy had a different PA, and that PA happened to know the adjuster, or that PA doesn't know that adjuster, but that adjuster, his wife was very nice to him that night, and so he came the next morning and wanted to pay people.
Excellent.
Or his wife was really mean to him that night, and he wanted to underpay every single one of them.
Right.
There's a lot of variables. There's 5 that I talk about: the homeowner, property owner, the insurance company, who the desk adjuster is, who the field adjuster is, right, and then the PA.
A lot of variables.
Yeah, and the PA matters, but the other 4 matter the most because they're the ones that are going to determine if a homeowner wants to get in and out real fast and is super emotional about it, which I understand is their home, or has to get back in the home. Fires are the best example. Fires, insurance companies put the most pressure on homeowners. They're out of their home most of the time.
Right.
They're
in a hotel.
Yeah, they're in a hotel or even a temporary housing. They're unhappy there because it's even if it's
You
nice.
have all your stuff.
You don't have all your stuff. You're living out of boxes, so on and so forth, and it's an emotional toll. So now they are putting emotional pressure on you on purpose. It's not any insurance company doctrine, but they totally do this as I've seen.
Sure.
And they put pressure on you to accept less.
Right. For quicker money.
The faster you want out, the less you're going to get.
Right.
And with me, it's with insurance claims. I've always told people they're always like, "Oh, am I getting paid?" Like, listen, it's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when, when and how.
Right.
When is it going to happen, and how we're going to get there?
Because some are closed out in a couple weeks, and some take some time. I mean, it's all.
If you have, small insurance companies. There's a company here in Florida.
But the more data we can get from a contractor,
huge.
It's everything.
Everything. It gives me tools to work with, gives me information to work with, gives me things to give and take in a negotiation. It's everything.
Right.
If I don't have stuff, if I don't have the gutters, now I can't give and take on a gutter.
Sure.
If I don't have, what happened inside, the interior damages, then I don't have a give and take with it. So now I'm, again, back to one big single ticket item. And I understand that's the goal.
Right.
Get the roof, get the damages. But there is a give and take. It's not. There is a relationship between us and the insurance company.
Absolutely.
We're gonna have to play ball. But if I only have one ball to play with,
It's fun.
no, it's no fun at all.